How to create an attendance board. In Monday.com, you can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open Monday.com and create a new board. Name it Attendance Tracker to keep records of employee check-ins. 2. Add essential columns such as employee name, date, check-in time, check-out time, and status. 3. Use a status column with labels like present, absent, late, and on leave for quick updates. 4th, set up automation to mark employees as present if they check in before a specific time. You can also send reminders for late arrivals. 5. Integrate forms where employees can submit requests for absences or remote work, making it easier to track. 6. Utilize a calendar view to see attendance trends over weeks or months, helping HR monitor team availability. 7. Save your board, test the functionality with sample entries, and share it with team members for daily use.